So, Christmas. What are we all doing for Christmas? Number one, I have a sinking fund for Christmas, but I don't have it as full. Too much? Is that too much? Okay. Party poopers. Okay, so first thing is Christmas. Number one, I have a sinking fund for Christmas. And basically, I don't have it as full as I'd like to have it. Last year, my sinking fund was packed out. I had too much money. Too much? No, I didn't have too much. I never have too much money. I'm a spender. I'm a natural spender. That's why I have all these schemes and little bits that to limit that spend, and I could only spend cash. But anyway, I have my sinking fund and I have the Christmas money in there. And I have my list of things that I want to buy for people. Okay, that's a lie. Time to stop lying to people. Okay, so basically this is what I have. I'm gonna put that up so I could actually see this. I have what I'm gonna spend, my budget. And basically it's 885. That's a cut, guys, for me. It's a cut from last year, I think. Yes, it was in the end. I'm showing you one side of it because I really want you to see it. Food and drink, I'm gonna start from the bottom up. Or will I start from the top? So all my nieces and nephews, I'm gonna be spending €30 each on them. I think that is well worth it. I was spending a lot more and it was just turning out to be too crazy. I just don't have it. Like, I really don't. I'm gonna be saving for a house and everything in September. And I don't want to end up going, oh God, house or present. House or present. I want to give with joy, you know. I don't want to give, and you shouldn't be giving if it's not in your budget to give as well. I think that's really important. You shouldn't be going, oh my God, I want to give this and I want to do this and I want to do that. And really, your budget is struggling. You are struggling. You're like, I don't know how I'm going to pay my bills in January because I'm going to take from that because I feel bad at what I'm giving. No. So this is what I usually do. I cut it down. So the godparents, it's 80. Chris Kindle, children, decoration, clothes, food and drink. You can see I'm putting a lot there. Food and drink is 150. That's on top of what I spend in that week anyway, guys. So there's a lot there. So I was thinking about this and I was like, you know what? You need to cut that down. We need to get that on to 500 because, like I said before, you're going to be saving for a house and things are going to be a little bit tighter this year. So I kind of said it to my brothers and their girls, and I kind of said, look, at the end of the day, I'm going to have to cut back. It's a single income family and I need to really budget hard and budget smart if I'm going to survive this Christmas, and I really want to enjoy Christmas. The children are getting so much older now and it's out for me making those special memories, like getting their senses going. They smell mommy's baking at Christmas, so they know, they associate things with living here and living with me and mommy. Basically, I want to love them. So they always think, Christmas was a lovely time. I remember smelling the mince pies. I don't think Louis doesn't like mince pies, but this year he could. Who knows? I'm going to try again. So anyway, I'm going off subject again. So I decided I'm going to cut everything back, and this is what I did. Can I see it? Can we see it here now? Okay, put it on my shoulders. What am I doing? Okay, I can see it now, guys. I can see it. I'm looking at the camera. I can see it. Okay, so I lowered it down to €20 per child for the kids. Then I did my godchild. I lowered it for 40, the poor lad. I might pick him up something now, but look, it's 40. Chris Kindle, I told my mom, she's a ringleader in this, 60. The children are 185. My children are young, so it's really good for me because they don't know. Louis got, I ended up spending a little good bit on him for his birthday, and he didn't even care. He just wanted a Black Panther action figure. Once he got that, nothing else really added, nothing else he really cared about, you know. Eliza was the one but look, she'll always win that one. Decoration, I'm spending $0. I'm deciding I'm going to do a lot of DIY. Food and drink, 0, and clothes I'm lowering it right down to 75. That's going to be a struggle for me, but I really would love to know. I really would love to maybe start looking at a bit of pre-loved clothes and stuff. I'm cutting back on how I spend. I'm very conscious of where I'm spending my money as well. Let me put that down because I look at the monitor instead of looking at the lens. Yeah, so Christmas it's a good time, and look, it's a good time to splash out. Black Friday before that, hopefully I might have a little bit in the budget for that, but I think they're gonna look fab anyway. I'm gonna mix and match, dip it and do it. You know how it is, making sure they look good on Christmas Day. We're all gonna look good, and I have so much clothes in there. I'm not even thinking of getting that because I got a pair of shoes last Christmas and I have not worn them once. Thanks COVID, have not worn them, have not, in the box, and I really want to wear them. I should be wearing them. Where? In my garden? I don't think so. So I'm just over it at this point. But look, something can change. I have some nice dresses, and I've seen a few people like upcycling and stuff, and I'm really into all that. So I might do something like that. I don't know. While you're here, make sure you're at the liking and subscribing to this channel, okay? God. Now, you know I have my notes because I have a tendency to waffle. So how am I going to cut back on all my Christmas gifting, etc.? Well, I want to make them really sentimental. I really want the gifts to the people to know that I've really sat down and I've thought about you, and I want to make it personal to you. So that's what I'm really going to do. I'm going to gift with love. I'm listening to now to what people are talking about, and I'm writing down and going, okay, and getting little ideas of what to do. I actually think this Christmas the presents are going to be bigger and better than they ever were. So there you go. The Christmas, because I'm cutting back on all food, my food shop at Christmas, that's 150 down. What I'm planning to do is every week that I'm shopping from now on to get something small towards Christmas. Whether it be alcohol, I don't know how that's gonna last. I might have to get it and give it to someone to help me, you know yourself. So I'm gonna be literally buying little bits now. So when Christmas comes, I'm not doing that panic buying. Like I said, a lot of things are gonna be homemade, upcycled. So I'm gonna be looking at that. I'm gonna be making a list of everything now. And that's another thing I'll say, start planning. Start planning out what you're going to be buying for people for Christmas. I'm going to be doing a blog on this anyway, so I'll probably link this video in the blog, thecaribbeandove.com. That page is getting an overhaul in the next, a week or so. So I want to make it more personal to me and how I live, because I was getting a little bit bored doing that page. I was like, doesn't feel like it's me. So let's do this. One thing I'd say is stick to your budget, stick to your price limits from what you're going to be doing. That's how you stick with it. And you start becoming very creative in ways of gifting. And I think it'd be really sweet. I think it'd be a really sweet thing of what you're going to give to your, I'm going to have to cut that. Am I going to cut that? I don't know. I probably will, won't I? I don't. So how am I going to implement all these cuts? Well, basically what I'm going to do is I am going to, with regards to the clothes and stuff for the children, I'm going to be looking at pre-loved, Black Friday be coming up, and I'm going to mix and match and making sure they still look fabulous. They still have a lovely day, but it's not going to cost us a fortune, because what happens is I go out and I buy chinos, they're all kitted out, and then they wear that once. Like this year, that Louis hasn't worn what he wore at Christmas again. So I'm starting to look like I want clothes that they're gonna actually wear. So that's one thing. The next thing is for the clothes, for the food. I think of what I'm gonna do. If I say one more time, I swear to God. Just gonna say it. No, I'm not. For the food, I'm gonna be implementing a Christmas little budget for Christmas in my weekly shopping. So I'm picking up stuff and tips and bits. I want to do a lot from scratch. I'm going to probably have a little party for my friends and family, and I think that it'd be a great thing for me to do it with love and do it from scratch as much as I can. So I'll save money in that way, but it's for now to be buying and planning ahead. And that's another thing, plan ahead, stick to the limit that you have and be more creative. Go, be more thoughtful, conscious gifting. Everybody gets gifts and they throw them away. They don't look. Give with love. Give something that you think that the people that are on the receiving end would really, really like. I can't say that enough, and that's what I'm going to be implementing. I'm going to be doing a lot of this on my website, thecaribbeandove.com. I'm going to give it a whole overhaul because I just want to make it more personal. It doesn't excite me to write there, and I want to make it like it's Santa's page, you know. I really do. I do a lot with the budgets and stuff, and I might have to do something else or put it in a different section, but I don't know. But I really want to make it personal and about things that I love doing, so that's why I want to do that. So yeah, those are a few of the tips that I'm going to be doing. Keep an eye out. I might do a little video of one of the gifts, who knows. But look, Halloween is coming up next, so that'll be the first thing, wouldn't it? The next video I'm going to make is how you can save money going back to school. If there is a going back to school, I don't even know, lads. I don't even know. Anyway, peace and light. Bye. Thanks for watching. All about